guys, welcome to my new bedroom. I am so excited. It's still hard for me to adjust to England, but I'm glad we have a place now. I spent the past couple weeks just like setting it up and painting it. I'm sorry I wasn't able to post on Monday or Thursday this week. We have not had internet, so I'm really sorry. Oh dear. Yeah, but let's get started. I know this sounds a bit weird, but today I'm going to be doing a Pikachu cupcake painting, which is just Pikachu by a cupcake.